Hello everybody, my name is David Felipe. I am 21 years old and I live in El Cerrito, Valle del Cauca. Today I'm going to talk about our experience in one of our classes of English. Okay, so we did an oral practice in English about a short story. Its name was In the Village by the Sea. I selected the cricket. Okay, this is a cricket that we can find in the story and is painting a landscape. Okay, the order. This is the order of the adjectives in English and in Spanish. Finally, this is a sentence or example. This is a beautiful, small, happy brown cricket. Okay, thank you so much. See you later.